Welcome to Yummy Perfect Recipes. Let's prepare Royal Falooda. In a bowl, add gelatin, sugar, pour little water and add rose syrup. Mix it well. In a separate utensil, boil vermicelli and freeze it for 1 hour. In a container, place chia seeds and pour water and keep it aside. Then pour milk in a container and add rose syrup. Mix it well. Take a glass. In that first add jelly, vermicelli and rose syrup. Then place chia seeds. Then add pieces of banana, apple and dry fruits. Repeat the procedure. Then pour Falooda and then top it with ice cream. If you love Royal Falooda, then comment pink hearts. Like, share with your friends and subscribe for more yummy recipes.